subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The ZTE has launched its new affordable phone under Blade series in Germany called Blade A7s 2020. Talking about the specifications, the ZTE Blade A7s 2020 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone houses a triple camera setup at the top left corner in a squarish module including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 16-megapixel main camera along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the ZTE Blade A7s 2020 comes powered by an unnamed octa-core 1.6 GHz processor paired with 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512 GB via hybrid SIM card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 with Mi Favor skin on top, and it comes backed by a large 4000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.7 by 77.4 by 8.2 mm and it weighs around 179 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The ZTE Blade A7s 2020 has been priced in Germany at 149 euros. And it is now available for purchase in the country in ocean blue and star black color options. So, what do you guys think of this ZTE Blade A7s 2020 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.